Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking. And since the weather is changing so fast, I feel like having some soup. So I said, let's make some chicken broth based soup and make a video so you guys can have it too. I hope you will make it and enjoy it. And this is very basic chicken broth based soup. All you need is 6 to 8 cups of chicken broth. That will be like 2 tablespoons of, if you have the chicken broth powder, 2 tablespoons of it. That's, yeah, okay, that will be exactly like 2 tablespoons. So if you don't have this one, you can use the chicken cubes. If you Maggie cubes, any kind of chicken cubes that you like. If you don't have that and you have fresh chicken broth pre-made, you can use the chicken broth. It's all good. And always adjust the salt according to your own sodium needs. All right, so this is the standard measuring cup, and I'm going to take between 6 to 8. Let me make it 8. So 8 cups of water will be good. I'm not adding any extra salt, so whatever comes with the chicken consomme is what I'm going to get. And one more thing, I will be just adding a pinch of black pepper in case somebody likes their soup hot. I have soy sauce and I have sriracha or hot sauce, so they can make their own adjustment, but I'm keeping this soup very simple, very basics. So that's 8 cups of water, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. I just going to crush it, and just bring the broth to a boil, whether you're using the pre-made broth, the one from the box, or the one you made at home, or chicken cube, whatever. Just bring it to a boil. When it's simmering, add your cumin to it. Cumin is optional. I like it, I add it. I'm adding a cup of noodles. Again, any noodles you want. You can have the one that comes in the packet. You can have spaghetti noodles. You can break it into small pieces, or you can have any of your favorite soup noodles. And this is my cornstarch in lukewarm water. Just mix the cornstarch. Anytime I mix it in cold water, it doesn't go good, so I have a habit of doing it in the water that's a little above the room temperature. So I mix it well, and then I'm going to add it. You can add the black pepper right now, just like me. I'm adding almost like half a teaspoon or less, depends how much you like, and add it to it. Cornstarch. When you add the cornstarch, stir the pot right away, and it doesn't take much. That's the easiest soup you can ever make, but it's very delicious. Here you go. Instantly you will see the broth will get thick. The noodles took only a minute or so, because these are the packet noodles. All right, I like the thickness. It's not too thick and it's not too runny. That's perfect for my soup. You can add fresh cilantro if you want. I'm just adding my frozen spinach. This is frozen baby spinach. You can add fresh spinach. You can add chopped spinach. It's up to you. I like the whole baby spinach just like that, and I don't give it more than a minute. That's why it's healthy. It's very, very healthy for you. That's a good iron intake, and frozen or not doesn't make any difference. So just give it a minute. There you go. As soon as it gets a little bit soft, it's good for me. So I have one organic egg. I'm going to just add the white. You can throw in the yellow too if you want, but I'll use the yellow somewhere else. I'm just using the white for my soup. I love it this way. And just one swirl. When you add the white, this is the time when your soup is ready. So what you do is take your ladle, spoon, whatever you're using, spatula, and just give the pot one swirl, one. That's it. Now it's done. Okay, that's it. Add the eggs, swirl it around, and close it, and that's it, done. Our soup is ready. Bismillah. Let me show you. It's nice and thick broth, and we have spinach that's not overcooked. We have noodles that are still in good shape, not overcooked, and we have our egg white in there. So that's my idea of chicken noodle soup, a healthy chicken noodle soup with egg drop. Try to make it. You will love it. If you want extra heat, always sriracha, hot sauce, soy sauce, anything, green sauce you want to add. And I'm ready to eat. Bismillah. So there you see it.